In this class, I am going to explain functions of Office Manager. Functions of Office Manager. In the last class, we have seen that Office Manager and qualifications of Office Manager. Who is Office Manager and qualifications of Office Manager. Okay, so Office Manager, person appointed to head the office, is Office Manager. A person appointed to maintain the office, in charge of the office, is Office Manager. Office Manager is also called as Manager, Administration, Commercial and Management, etc. Commercial Manager, etc. Okay, Office Manager is the in charge of the office, and this is the view of Office Manager. An Office Manager, if the organization is small, only one Office Manager. If the organization is big, there are different branches in the organization. So each and every branch needs an Office Manager. Each and every branch needs an Office Manager. Okay, so today we are going to see the functions of Office Manager. So functions of Office Manager, the first one is the recruitment of staff. The first one is the recruitment of staff. The main function of the Office Manager is so he has to recruit the human resources. He has to recruit the staff members, clerical staff, okay, different categories of clerical staff to do the office activities, to work out the office activities. This is called recruitment of staff. The next, after recruitment of staff, he has to give training. He has to give training on office procedures and functions. Okay, so there are different kinds of office procedures are there in daily routine activities of the office. Okay, he has to train the staff. He has to train the staff about the activities of the organization. About the activities of the organization. First of all, he has to recruit the staff, and after recruitment, he has to give training to the staff about the activities of the organization. Next, division methods of work measurement. Devising methods of work measurement means, so he has to distribute the work among different staff members. Okay, he has to identify the skilled. Okay, so some of the staff members have a good knowledge in some kind of work, so the office manager has to identify the persons who is having a good skill in some separate work, some skill type of work. So he has to divide the work according to their skills. Okay, then next, creating team spirit among office staff. Creating team spirit among office staff. So he has to coordinate and creating a team spirit. Okay, he has to maintain all the staff members. He has to maintain all the staff members of the office, and by creating a team spirit. Okay, then next, promotions. Okay, so after certain period, he has to give promotions to the staff according to their seniority and experience and punctuality, sincerity. Okay, he has to give the promotions. Okay, the staff are shifted from lower level to higher level according to their experience and seniority. And the next, leadership and moral. So the office manager, main function of the office manager is to have a leadership. Okay, leadership. He has to be a good leadership qualities, because he has to maintain office. Then he has to good leadership qualities. So the coordinating among the staff. Coordination among the staff is compulsory. So without coordination, there is no proper execution of work by the office staff. Okay, then next, discipline and honest sincerity. Yeah, so these are the common things a office manager should have. Accounting, costing, and the office manager has good knowledge in accounting and costing. Okay, different types of accounting procedures. Okay, different types of accounting procedures will have in every office. Okay, you should have a sound knowledge in maintaining of accounting. And main function is controlling stationery and supply. There will be so many machines in office. There will be so many machines in the office, and there is so much stationery items. Okay, he has to maintain the stationery and machinery and supplies to the office. Okay, health and safety needs of various departments. Okay, he has to take care of the growth of the various departments in the office. Okay, whether the office subordinates are doing proper work, proper execution of, and then budget preparation and control. Okay, so various departments need some kind of budget for different activities. Okay, in order to run the activities of the organization, they will have a need of the budget in different issues. Okay, he has to, the main one of the main function of office manager is to prepare the budget and control. Okay, so and next the facilities management. Okay, he has to arrange or create facilities. Okay, by to the management, he is the way, the office manager is a proper channel or the way to staff members to management. He has to create a facility or a channel to provide the information from subordinates to or office staff to management and management to office staff. Okay, so this is about the functions of office management.